Yo, you already know what it is. This is culture, Shawnee culture here, where I keep my ear to the streets and try to give y'all exactly what's going on with the heartbeat and pulse of the city and globally, internationally, and locally. You understand what I'm saying? So I got a special guest with me today, artist, big icon, legend, Peace.
Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action fi back, enough of them stairs.
What's up? So we here live in Brooklyn, you know what I'm saying? We sipping a little old fashioned, you know what I'm saying? Making everything nice. So globally, what is some of the songs that are received the most when you touch the area?
Well, when I touch the area, most like the reception. You got like Come Over, you got like One More Night, you got like Step Out, you got like Watch Out For This, you got like Stay, so you got like Nah Go Jail Again, you got like These Are The Days, you got like One Edge, you got like Bedroom Bullet, you got like One.
So many. I mean, a lot of people don't know. You know what I'm saying? But wait, hold up. This is what I'm gonna do. I bumped into somebody on the way up since we had Imani in Brooklyn, you understand? And I'm gonna just try something real quick, you know what I'm saying? Because some people don't know what you have contributed to the game. Whoa. And this is a fellow who also contributed some good stuff to the game, so I just want to see something real quick. I'm gonna call him up. Yo. Hey, yo, Gordon. Come forward, brother. Yo. Watch, Virgin, watch.
Man.
All right, so I think my boy is coming up right now. You know what I'm saying? What's up, yo?
What up? How are you?
That's crazy. I come here. I'm dealing with my brother Busy. This icon legend.
How are you?
This is Gordon
You can
Chambers.
touch that jewelry on me.
Gordon Chambers, singer, songwriter, Grammy award-winning artist. So I was telling a lot of people he's contributed so much, and a lot of people don't necessarily know all the time that he is behind the monster of some of these things that make the dance halls move. If you ironically have the same element of what you have contributed to music, you're moving with this show.
Yes.
So I mean, I just want maybe he could share some of his classics, and you can share some of your classics, and maybe he heard of some of yours and vice versa.
Well, my music is a little bit slower. My music is like not at the dance hall. It's like when you come home after the dance. After the dance music.
After that.
But one of my first big hits was "I Apologize" by Anita Baker. Remember that?
Apologize. Whoa.
I like your version.
You gotta
yo.
give him a piece, man. Give him a piece.
All right, how about I sing a little bit my way, and then you sing it?
Operator, get my baby on the line.
Yeah.
All right, let me hear you pass it.
Operator, get my baby on the line.
Remix.
Operator, get my baby on the line.
So now I'm sure you got hit him with one of your tracks.
I got the song. Hello baby, can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over. Need you tonight, I'm a lover. Yeah, man.
You're all I need, and I'm always missing you, miss you, baby, miss you.
So I wrote a song that was in the film Set It Off. It was at the end of the movie.
Yeah.
When the last Jada Pinkett was the last living sister of the friend.
Set It Off.
It's the final cut, and it was recorded by four legends, really. 2 older legends and 2 younger legends that have become legends. Randy, Timmy, and Gladys Knight and Chaka Khan.
Whoa.
That was a song called Missing You. I don't know if you
I'm
remember that.
missing you, I miss it.
Sing it, you sing
I find a way to get through.
Yeah, right.
No, this is not no acting. This is not no shit for the camera. This is just respect, man.
So I'm missing you. I'll find a way to get through.
My nephew was like, Uncle Gordon, your song's on the radio, and he turned it on. It was Tory Lanez. And he had redone, that was my first time hearing Tory Lanez version of "Say It" because I wrote "If You Love Me" by Brownstone.
Whoa. So sing the Brownstone version.
If you love me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. And you need me, prove it.
If you love me, say it. If you trust me, do it. If you want me, show it. If you need me.
But you know, Tory did. You're gonna have to do more than just say it. You're gonna have to do less than just shoot. Hey, hey.
Yeah. You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. So, mama, you know I always want you to.
You know, just knowing that my little music I've done has R&B music has touched to the island. And,
that ain't no little music, Gordon.
Yeah, big,
that ain't no little
big music.
music.
So yo, wait, run through a couple of yours. Give the people a medley of a few of yours, and then we're gonna go back to him.
I did a couple of renditions of different styles as well. I did my own version of the one more night will come. Yeah, I did my own version of that.
Okay.
One more night, give me just one more night, yeah, girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. Yes, girl, me say one more night, baby, give me one more night.
A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you.
Gonna be some sweet sounds coming down on the night shift.
I was just listening through, going through. I think I was driving and I heard these songs. I was like, yo, I want to make a version of these songs.
Yeah.
Because I started out like hardcore dance.
right. But you love melody.
I love melody.
That's beautiful.
I love melody. So I was like, yo, I want to give you some sweet love on the night shift. Later on the night shift. Oh, baby girl, hold me tight. I wanna treat you right, yeah. On the night shift.
You hear that reggae version?
Baby.
Yep.
So when woman want love in the night, she go bad over the bedroom light. She crawl up in my arms like a spider. Body fit in a difficulty where she inside. Then me introduce her to the body energizer. Hey, no, this is
wait. Yo,
on camera right now. It's a very respect. I would say right now I have a big up Gordon with all these great work. Gordon, I needed the right songs for me.
Yes.
Something.
Right,
I'm not talking about that. You know, oh my God, you know, I met Busy and he's Jamaican, so I'm gonna do this style because no, I want one of those.
You want one of the old classics.
I need to bake a shit.
Right.
You know, because people stop making those type of music. Well, these younger R&B singers or singers now, they don't make that soulful music again like that.
What's a couple of more tunes that, you know what I'm saying, for the people,
So we do-
so
we
they
do.
know, and he know.
Yeah.
After me, step out in a me block of and a bit throw back a lot pan spot. Well, God no take back chat and enough girl I get. Oops, yeah, and I know if not, but now maybe me give y'all this 9 months she get baby. I'm in no lazy. Alright then, wolf girl, boss gone, smoke weed. Hey, what we do? Yeah, boss, smoke, don't cheat. Hey, watch out for this, and my desk lyrics. Mash up the place, but you are not for this. Yo, me now miss #1 panelist.
The girl them a twist waistline can't resist. Watch out for this, I my dance lyrics. Mash up the place, but she want not for this. Yo, me now miss #1 panelist. Mash up the place.
Major Lazer, yeah man, a whole bunch of records do a whole bunch of. We reach Jamaica, and then now I did a swagger style as well. You know, big up Shabba Rankin. I born as a bedroom bully, bedroom bully for the girl bikini. Hey, I born as a bedroom bully, hey, bedroom bully girl a wine up for me. Real top girl is man a bedroom bully, hey, bedroom bully for the girl bikini. Hey, I born as a bedroom bully, hey, bedroom bully for the girl. Hey,
I born as a bedroom bully for the girl bikini. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, y'all a wine up to me.
Wine up, cock up, y'all wine up. Real dancer and stuff. Hey, y'all just have dash out and burn up people. Yeah, man. The hunger is on, the grind is on, the grind is on.
I'm saying,
Yeah,
tell them
man.
where to find you with.
Right, that's up.
What's the album?
Yeah, man, the album is parts of the puzzle. It's on every platform. You could find me, BusySignal_turf. Get it, get to it, search it, look free, and deal with it. Log in, log on. Don't chip out, don't log out. Mad, at it.
This is culture.